So guys, there are many informative videos right here on YouTube that show you how to make homemade coconut oil. Well, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade coconut oil, but with a difference, because I'm also going to show you how to infuse annatto seeds in coconut oil to produce something looking like this. And this is going to make the coconut oil more nutritious with amazing health benefits. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. We're the product of what we eat. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing. So if I told you that coconut oil has amazing health benefits, it really wouldn't surprise you, right? Because it's well established that coconut oil is rich in antioxidants, it has anti-cancer properties, it's great for memory and brain function, and the list goes on and on. But what about annatto seeds? What do we know about them? Perhaps a lot of you are not familiar with them, so allow me to tell you a little bit more about them. Annatto seeds come from the achiote tree, which is the tree that's located right behind me. They grow in pods that look like this, and they account for approximately 70% of natural food coloring. The health benefits are also amazing. For instance, they have anti-cancer properties. They can help to prevent cataracts, as well as macular degeneration. They can help to strengthen your bones, and they can help with healthy digestion. And the list goes on. So when you infuse annatto seeds in coconut oil, you get to reap the health benefits as well as the nutritional value of both. For this recipe, you're going to need dry coconuts, otherwise known as brown coconuts. You're also going to need annatto as well as water. If you're going to use large brown coconuts, then you can use maybe about 2. If you're going to use small ones, then maybe about 4 or 5. And if you're going to use medium size, then perhaps about 3. And this will give you approximately 1 ounce of coconut oil. It can be a little more, it can be a little less. There you have it, coconut oil infused with annatto. Try this and reap the nutritional content and all the health benefits. I hope you found value in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week Sunday at 8 a.m. One love from the beautiful island of Jamaica. Bye guys.